Hi, and welcome to Terial Arts with Terry. I'm Terry McFeely, creator of Terial Magic, the spray-on fabric stabilizer that makes fabric easy. We all know that Terial Magic works on so many different projects, but today I want to talk about why I created Terial Magic, and that is for my three-dimensional art. These are art flower patterns that I've created. I have 8 different patterns. I'm going to go ahead and be doing a little film clip on how to make this poppy. But first, I just wanted to let you know about the different patterns that I have. First off, this is the iris pattern. All patterns come with well-illustrated directions. They're easy to make, easy to follow, but again, I'm going to be doing a video so that you can see how I make each and every one of these flowers. We also have the Terial Girl pattern. Of course, the poppy that we'll be showing you. One of my favorites, this is the hibiscus. We have the calla lily. The sunflower. The poinsettia, beautiful at Christmas time. And then our number one selling pattern, the rose. So when you're making any Terial Arts flower pattern, they all start the same. Number one, you treat your fabric with Terial Magic, you dry it to damp, press it flat. Then you lay out your pattern pieces, you cut the flower pattern pieces all out. And then, of course, you have to do some stitching. In the leaves, you just make a little casing for the wire, and on the petals you're going to put a gather stitch, or I should say a base stitch, so that you can gather them. The more tightly gathered your petals are, the fuller the flower. So let's get started. Enjoyed making the poppies. I would love to see what you come up with. You can go to my Facebook, Terial Arts Facebook, and post there so I could see them. That would be great. Also, in closing, I just want to let you know we do have some kits. We have 4 different kits. And in the kit, you get the Terial Magic, you get the wire, you get the fabric, and the pattern. Everything you need except the hot glue gun to make these beautiful poppies, these hibiscus, and we have 2 colors, white and pink, of the calla lily. This has been great. Please like this video. It really helps in my Google ratings. And if you could, or if you would like to, please subscribe to Terial Arts YouTube channel so that you'll be notified of all upcoming videos. I am going to be interviewing more artists, and of course I'm going to be posting all the little videos on making each and every one of the flowers. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.